Okay, you choke up right there. Decompressor button pulling out. Decompressor I'm pushing in. I'm pulling it back out now, and now I'm going to the on or the center position of that choke lever, and then I'm pulling the trigger and putting this trigger button in like that. So this decompression release, pull out in choke when it's cold, when the engine's cold, hasn't been run for a while. Decompression button out, choke up, pull it a few times. If it doesn't start, leave decompression alone, put it to the regular run position, pull your trigger, push that button in to hold it in place. It's a little bit open now. If you don't do this, you might flood it, okay? And then it should start. Pretty cool. It's got a brake. It's got like a blade brake sort of mechanism in there that works pretty good. Okay.